First, install the laser generator. Before installation, disassemble the drag chain on the side of the machine, also called tank chain, to make the installation of the fiber optic cable more convenient. Pass the fiber optic cable through the tank chain and extend it to the laser head. During the installation process, please be careful not to step on the fiber optic cable to prevent it from being broken. Take out the laser signal cable. Before the machine is shaped, the signal cable has been connected to the machine. So you only need to plug the other end of the signal cable into the corresponding interface of the laser. Next, install the laser power cord to the machine. The machine interface and each laser power cord are marked with labels. Connect the power cord according to the labels. In this way, the laser generator is installed. First, prepare a dust-free cabin. All subsequent operations must be carried out in the dust-free cabin. 1. Connect KBH. Prepare the laser cutting head. Unpack the other end of the optical fiber cable KBH interface. Loosen the port of the gun head. Connect the marked position of the KBH interface of the laser generator to the position with a red dot on the gun head and tighten the gun head. After tightening, wrap a circle of tape around the connection to prevent dust from entering. The machine will be equipped with several screws and basic tools such as interface connection switches when it is shipped. 2. Connect the water pipe. After the laser head is assembled, put it on the machine and tighten it with screws. Before connecting the pipe, trim the pipe to the appropriate length. Usually Yahai will trim it before delivery. For the laser head, the red one is the water inlet pipe connected to the top of the laser head. The blue one is the water outlet pipe connected to the bottom of the laser head. Use a transparent hose to connect the remaining interfaces. Three. Connect the gas pipe. The laser cutting head has only one gas pipe outlet pipe. Connect to the bottom of the gun head. 4. Connect the motor inside of the head. The green line is the coating line of the cutting head, which is connected to the interface on the right side of the cutting head. The orange line is the motor power line inside the cutting head, which is connected to the interface on the left side of the cutting head. 5. Connecting capacitive sensors. Connect the RF line to the lower end of the capacitor sensor. Connect the capacitor sensor to the left side of the laser head and tighten it with screws. Connect the capacitor sensor to the capacitor amplifier. The laser cutting head is now installed. The machine will be shipped with two 19 mm diameter water pipes and two 10 mm diameter water pipes, one red and one blue. The blue water pipe is inserted into the water inlet of the chiller and the water outlet of the machine. The red water pipe is inserted into the water outlet of the chiller and the water inlet of the machine. Two 19 mm diameter water pipes are connected to the water inlet and outlet of the chiller respectively. Be sure to tighten them to prevent water leakage. The chiller is installed. Gas connection is very simple. The gas connection of the machine is marked with a table. Connect the inlet and outlet pipes according to the instructions. Open the gas tank and adjust the gas pressure. Generally, the machine can be used normally when the air pressure values of the two gauges are around 5 and 0.8. After receiving the machine, lift it up with a crane or hoist to facilitate installation of the feet. The machine is shipped with anchor accessories, which are tightened with screws to ensure that each position is installed and pressed, and then the machine is leveled. Put the level flat. Place the square ruler on the guide rail and record the scale where the horizontal line passes. Continue to measure the scale at each corner of the machine. Finally, the scale values at all positions are the same, and the machine is leveled. When the scale value is too large or too small, you can adjust the scale value by adjusting the height of the foot. The power cords are divided into L1, L2, L3, N. Just connect the numbers according to the corresponding labels. Connect the same color together. The other two parts can be connected according to the labels. Open in sequence, PowerDriver Laser PC. Click to BepRO to open the operating system. The system automatically prompts you to return to the origin. Click Back to Origin in the upper left corner, select Back to Origin All and click Confirm. Open the system's built-in nesting software TubusLite. Click New Draw Part. Modify the cutting pipe length, radius and thickness and other parameters. If you need to cut the shape, add a branch pipe above the pipe. After modifying the parameters, click OK. Click Array. Enter the number of cuts to be made. Click Export and save. Open the software. Find Draw Parts in the left toolbar. Select the corresponding main tube, select the corresponding parameters, and click OK. Select the corresponding cutting quantity on the left. Click Auto Nesting. Select all the common edge types, then click OK. Select the pipe at the bottom. Select Export Nesting Results and Current Nesting Results. Save file. Open to BepRO operating system, select New and then click Import File. Click Layer Parameter Settings in Production Assistance. Enter the corresponding parameters according to the parameter adjustment form sent to you by Yihai. Click Blow to make sure the air pressure is normal, then click Start to start cutting.